In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a story on Instagram from PC. Currently, I log in on my PC on Instagram, but I cannot find out any story post option. But I have a solution. So you need to click on mouse right button, then go to inspect. Then you can find this option. Otherwise, you can go on this three dot. Again, click on more tools, then developer tools. These two options, you can go on this site. Then you need to click on dimensions. Then you can choose any mobile phone option. So I choose Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. You can choose anyone as well. Now you can just refresh your Instagram page right now. Then you can see at the top button you can find plus icon. You need to click on here. Then number two option story. Then you can choose and click story. Then choose your photo, which one you want to upload. That's it. Now you can upload a story from your PC. This is easy process. So if you find this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. You can take care. Goodbye.